Hello, this is Dennis, and you're on the Retouch For Me channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a photo shoot to MyShot and retouch it in the cloud, as well as how to apply presets and share your album. And as a bonus, I'll show you how to get free access to photos from your iPhone or iPad. If you're not familiar with MyShot, it's all very simple. You can upload photos or send them directly from your camera. The service retouches them automatically, and you can immediately share the album via a link. You can also choose which shots the client will see and add your business card. I'll leave the link in the description. By the way, if you want to send photos directly from your camera to an album, we have a separate video on our channel where we show how to set this up via FTP. The links will be in the annotations for this video.
After logging into the site, a streaming album is created automatically. It's located in the left menu. To upload photos from your device, click More in the active album and select Upload Images from Device, or simply drag and drop the photo with your mouse into the browser window. Let's select a frame for retouching and click the button in the top right corner. Processing happens in the cloud, and 1 credit is used for each photo.
Credits are used for cloud processing. You can purchase them separately or get them as part of a subscription. This is convenient for single shoots and for large photo sets.
Once processing is complete, we move on to real-time retouching. Let's start with color correction. MyShot has AI color correction with 3 modes: exposure, white balance plus exposure, and full. But in this example, let's set everything manually. The frame turned out a bit dark. Let's increase the exposure and adjust the temperature and tint. Next, we'll use tone mapping. Using shadows and highlights, we'll redistribute the light and remove the overexposure on the dress. Let's add a LUT to give the frame a warmer summer atmosphere. Switch to the Crop tab if you need to crop or rotate the photo. You can use preset aspect ratios to crop the photo or set your own proportions. In our case, cropping is now required. Now let's move on to retouching. Using Heal, we'll clean up the skin. With the Dodge and Burn and Portrait Volumes tools, we'll emphasize the face's volume. And Eye Brilliance will add a bit of expressiveness to the eyes. Now let's save the result as a preset. Click the Save Preset button. We'll save the changes and return to the gallery. As you can see, the edits are immediately reflected in the preview. To download the photo in full size, click More, then Download. And at any moment, you can view the before and after results to evaluate the changes made. Now let's apply the preset to another frame. Select a new photo, click Retouch, and after the cloud processing, the saved preset is applied automatically. Now let's apply the preset to other photos. Go to Grid Mode and select the frames you want to process. Next, click the Retouch Photos button. Since we've already created and saved a preset, a window with its settings will appear. Click Apply and confirm the credit deduction. Previews will update as the photos are being processed. Before sharing the album, let's configure it. Click the More button and select Edit Album. In this window, you can name your album, choose whether to use it for photo streaming, and adjust access settings. For example, allow commenting and adding reactions to photos. Allow downloading photos in both low and full resolution. Enable album moderation and show only selected photos via the link. Add an avatar or a logo to the photos. To share the album, click the Share Link Album button and then click Copy Link. You can also click the button next to it to get the link as a QR code for easy scanning from a phone. If you no longer need the album to be accessible via the link, click the Unlink button and confirm the action. Now, let's follow the link to our album and see how it looks. Your business card is in the top left corner, but it looks empty. Let's fill it out. Click on your avatar in the top right corner and select Edit Public Data. Here you can provide your contact details, such as name, phone number, Viber or WhatsApp contact, and a link to your website or portfolio. If you don't want to show your email or want to hide the business card entirely, you can do that below.
Now, I'll show you how to turn MyShot into an app on your iPhone or iPad. Open MyShot in Safari.
Next, tap on the More option, and then after that, select Share. Next, view More and select Add to Home Screen. Rename the shortcut if necessary and tap Add. Now MyShot is available in one tap right from your home screen. Let's open it and try to adjust a preset from your mobile device.
That's it! Now you know how to upload a photo shoot, retouch it, and share the photo album, as well as get quick access to photos from your phone. If you want to go further, watch the video on setting up FTP. They're already in the annotations for this video. Thanks for watching!